Welcome to this 2016 Roadtrek Zion. As you can see, it's white exterior, and walking inside we have white interior cabinetry, a nice size galley, dual bench seats in the back. You can completely walk through all the way out the back doors and enjoy some beautiful views. Inside those back doors, you can see the pedestal right there, storage for that table if you so choose. Blackout curtains on sliders for some privacy. Again, the dual benches, you can put that pedestal table right there in the center if you so choose. There's also a swivel table option. Tons of overhead storage with some power points underneath that cabinetry. Windows on both sides for lots of natural light. Again, as you walk through, you'll see some cute shelves right there on the left side for some decorations. Again, the galley, we'll come back to that soon. The bathroom will be right there on your left side, and you can turn and see some gorgeous views out your sliding door. Moving into the galley, we have a microwave, which is a super handy, convenient thing to have. White subway tile backsplash that is magnetic. 2-burner propane stove. We've got a sink with a flip-up faucet and lots of storage, you guys. Drawers, a couple cabinets with shelving, even room for a trash can under there. Big time storage here. As we turn around, we've got a slide-out pantry, which is so convenient. It holds so many things. Great way to maximize storage. We've got a 5 cubic foot refrigerator here. Gigantic for a van, holds tons of food, and even has a freezer compartment right up at the top. And one of the best things is this huge drawer right underneath, holds pots, pans, clothes, whatever. Gigantic storage. You'll love it. Right next to the sink, you'll see some extra power points. We've got a USB 12 volt and 110, and this awesome feature, this flip-up countertop. Gives you a little extra room to do a little extra cooking in the van. One of everybody's favorite features in the van is the fact that it has a wet bath. There are mirrored doors with magazine holders there at the bottom. The doors lock with that little handle. When you open it up, you can take a look inside. It's fully enclosed. There's a mirror, a sink, a handheld shower faucet, and a real flushing toilet. You guys, you can go to the bathroom without having to go into a campground or a gas station. This Zion has so much cabinetry, including this hanging clothes closet. Such a nice little feature because a lot of times you just have to shove your stuff into a cabinet, but you can actually hang your clothes in here. And we have tons of overhead space. All of these are on gas struts, so they're nice and smooth and they'll stay open for you. They're not going to crash down on your head. Underneath the benches, there are 2 drawers on the power sofa side, 4 drawers on the other side. We even have this little compartment over the cabin of the van. I fit those 2 little camping chairs there. It's crazy, so much storage. Back in the back, we have table options. We have the pedestal option and we have the lagoon table, which means this can swivel around or just come out completely. The 2 sofas do serve as beds. You can leave them as is for 2 twin options. Use the power sofa side as a full if you want to take that down and leave the other side as a twin, or put them all together and it makes basically a king-size bed with some awesome views out the back doors. On the ceiling, we do have a fantastic fan with a rain sensor and a remote. Tons of LED lighting both on the ceiling and underneath that cabinetry. Good reading lights. Up in the cabin of the van, there is a radio that has CarPlay, always a nice feature, and both of the chairs do swivel around. There is an option to put the pedestal table there in the center if you want to eat there or maybe work on your laptop. Moving to the outside of the van, there is power hookup there, tow package. That's your propane fill. You have a 30-pound propane tank back there and city water. 200 watts of solar up on the roof and a power awning. If you are interested in this 2016 Roadtrek Zion built on a 2014 ProMaster chassis, feel free to message me. I'll be happy to give you more details and go over any questions that you may have.